Hi friends, and in this video I'm going to explain you how to calculate the forecast. And of course there is no manual intervention is not there, so we have a direct button, direct formula is there. So see, we can use the forecast formula equals to forecast some forecast.ets formula, or else we have some other calculation field also there. So just select this table and go to data. So in this data you can see the forecast sheet. Just select the sheet, and so see here, forecast any date is 2013 till 2013 is there. So just imagine, just I want to know, so we can give 2022. So what would be happen, either it is, but it is not the realistic way, so I'm just going to give the till 2015. That would be better. Okay, just create this one. Or you want to the line graph, or if you want to know the in the column graph also, it is fine. See, either this one or this one. So I feel it is good, so I'm just creating this one. So we have the calculation field also there. So see, so this is the revenue numbers. Actually we have given 2010. After 2010 it is automatically calculating the revenue forecast numbers. So this is the forecast formula. So here it is giving the target line, and value values, that means b2 to b11. And this is the timeline which is saying. So this one 2001 to 2010 we have given. And after that it is seasonality 1 and 1. So sorry, this is in this how it is calculating. So here, from here, so again it is taking to from 2000 for 2012. And so these are the numbers in the similar way. So conference interval. So like what is the maximum and minimum, so this kind of calculation it will be. So yeah, thanks friends. For more interesting videos, please subscribe my channel.